Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Edifier TWS2 wireless Bluetooth earbuds. You might need to do this if they are not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're getting sound out only out of the left or the right ear, or if they just keep connecting to a device you don't want them to. You can just get a fresh start and delete them from all the devices by doing a hard reset, and it's real easy to do. All you need to do with these headphones, with these earbuds, is you're going to do it one at a time with each of the earbuds. You're just going to come in here and press and hold this button with the logo on it and just keep pressing. It's going to take about 8 seconds. And you're just going to, when you do it, you're just going to watch this indicator light here. And after a while, this indicator light will blink red a couple of times. And once it's blinked red a couple of times, you can switch over to the other one and do the other one, and then they'll be reset. And while you're waiting for them to reset, if you are in the market for a new credit card, Chase will give you $200 for free just for signing up for one of their credit cards. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested.